How to update Google Play services. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after checking on the connection, launch the settings application on your device. Here, scroll down and tap on the option of apps over here. Then tap on manage apps and then tap on the search bar and search for Google Play services. So here you can see the option. So just tap on it and then scroll down, and here you can see the option of clear data. So just tap on clear data at the bottom right corner and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. Now as you tap on OK, here you can see there's the option of uninstall updates. So if you have the latest version, then you'll be able to see this option. If not, you'll be able to see the option of update. So that's how you'll be able to update your Google Play services. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.